Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'll show you how to use the Telegram app, one of the most powerful, secure and feature-packed messaging platforms available today. Telegram is a cloud-based messaging app that lets you send text, photos, videos, voice messages and files just like WhatsApp or Messenger with more features. It is known for its speed, privacy and massive group capabilities, even up to 300,000 members in one group. Now, to use it, first you need to go to your App Store and download your app if you haven't. So go to your App Store, then search Telegram at your search bar at top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and you'll have the install button right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once you're in, enter your phone number and verify it with the code you received. Then set the username, profile picture and name. From the home screen, tap the pencil icon to start a new chat. Search for contacts who use Telegram. You can send messages, emoji, stickers, GIF, voice notes or even a document. Now to join channel or groups, tap the search bar at the top of your page and type topics like news, movies, tech or cryptocurrency. You can also have two-way chats with people who share your interests. Some are public while others may invite links. Telegram is packed with tools like voice and video call, polls and quizzes in group chat, scheduled messages, hold the send button, bots that can automate things or provide info, saved messages or personal space to store notes, links or media, secret chats have self-destructing messages and no cloud backup, which is great for privacy. Then tap the menu icon, three horizontal line or setting tab, change themes, manage notifications, set privacy preferences or control who can find or message you. And that is how you can use Telegram app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions in the next video. Bye.